What's up, Tech King? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be taking a look at a pretty cool phone coming to Metro by T-Mobile and T-Mobile. Stay tuned. There's a whole plane going over. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. Now we have some pretty big news about this phone, and obviously we don't see a lot of these types of phones, and I think I made a video talking about maybe, TCL should take over this certain genre of phone. But let's get straight into this. So today TCL announced the TCL Stylus 5G. So it's going to be called the TCL Stylus 5G. Hopefully they don't use the same name forever, but this is coming to Metro by T-Mobile and T-Mobile. It says the brand's first ever smartphone featuring an integrated pop-out stylus, now available exclusively from T-Mobile and Metro by T-Mobile, starting at $258. The smartphone flawlessly combines speedy 5G performance with enhanced creativity and functionality features. So this looks pretty cool, honestly. For $258, I actually just called Metro by T-Mobile and they said if you port in a number, I believe you can get it free, but I'm going to be opening a new line for a family member and they're going to be getting it for $79.99 at Metro by T-Mobile. So there are deals that you can get at certain Metro by T-Mobile, so definitely call, especially if you guys are wanting to switch to either Metro by T-Mobile or T-Mobile. But it says, designed for users looking to balance their work lives and creativity pursuits. The elegant TCL Stylus 5G Android smartphone provides optimized productivity and creativity. So it says, press and pop the built-in stylus to write down notes, draw images, sign digital forms with the help of user-friendly features, including free access to Nebo for TCL. I'm not sure what Nebo is. We're going to figure that out soon, as I should be unboxing this phone today, so definitely stay tuned. And it says the world's most powerful handwriting recognition tool driven by AI and productivity app MyScript Calculator. Number 2, it says a sprawling responsive display. So this is going to have an expansive 6.81 inch Full HD Plus display powered by Next Vision. It provides a blank digital canvas for users to express all their artistic ideas and enhance true color clarity and filter blue light with its adaptive eye comfort mode. Designed to inspire, the 50 megapixel symmetrical and rear camera captures striking portraits with point and shoot simplicity, while the 13 megapixel front facing camera is perfect for highlighting best features in selfies. Get added customization using TCL's Sky Enhancement Advanced Editing feature, which transforms the sky with numerous effects. So it looks like we got some pretty cool effects as far as the camera goes. Now TCL does actually make TVs, so I'm assuming that Next Vision display, that Full HD display, is going to be pretty nice. It didn't say anything, however, about the refresh rate being over 60 hertz, but we're going to check that out as soon as we get this phone. So hopefully it is over that. If it's not, this phone seems like, a pretty budget-friendly phone, and it seems pretty decent so far. Now we're going to get into the performance. This is the performance that always delivers. The TCL Stylus 5G runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 700 5G chipset and octa-core CPU processor, providing a near latency-free experience and all-day power with a 4,000 milliamp battery. Now 4,000 milliamps is definitely pretty decent. That's definitely going to be enough to get you through the day for sure. If you guys want any more information on this phone, I'm definitely going to leave a little link in the description down below so you guys can go to The Verge or something. I'll leave some website. TCL actually sent me the press kit this morning to check this out, and then ended up calling Metro, and it looks like I'm gonna get the phone as well. We're gonna pick this up, we're gonna do an unboxing for you guys. I actually just hit up TC as well today through email, and I asked them for the Stylus 5G and see if they can get me a review unit in. So if they end up getting that review unit in, I am going to buy another review unit from Metro by T-Mobile. So that one that I'm getting from TCL will be 100% a giveaway. But are you guys excited about this phone? And the specifications aren't amazing. They're not crazy. They're not something that's like, insane for $250, but it is going to be a budget stylus device, and in a place and in a time where there are very few of these out here, referencing really only a couple, one from LG, and obviously we got the one that's not so budget, it's more of a mid-range stylus device, and that's from Motorola with the G Stylus. So Let me know in the comments section down below what your opinions are about this device. Are you going to pick it up? Is this something that you are interested in? Do you even like stylus devices? I know I've been using the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and I love stylus devices. That was, these were the devices that I primarily reviewed on my channel. The first one being the LG Stylo, LG Stylo 4, LG Stylo 5, and then so on and so forth. But I just kind of lost the passion for stylus devices. I don't really use a stylus on my S22. That may be because it's at the left side of the phone and I'm a right-handed person, but we'll see with this new device. I'm really excited about this, and hope you guys are too. But hopefully you guys have a good day. Be safe out there. But yeah, love you guys so much. This has been some fun from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.